Falava Coconuts, I'm MaryJane Mckibbin-Schwenke. Welcome to the Matavai Cultural Arts Studios here in Sydney, Australia. This is how To Siva Samoa. It's important for girls to know how to Siva Samoa because it's the ultimate way to express yourself culturally. Where there's a Samoan social gathering, a Siva Samoa is not too far behind it. You'll see it at a birthday, a wedding, a village gathering, church gatherings, social fundraiser, the list goes on. A really good Siva Samoa can be judged based on their conviction, their facial expressions, their hands, their feet and their movements, and generally just how well they present themselves culturally. So ladies, if you're marrying into a Samoan family, you need to have your Siva Samoa down packed for those extra brownie points. So let's begin. First of all, one of the most important things about the Siva Samoa is your entrance. We call it the moe moe or the run. It's simply a run in, so your steps go like this. 1, 2, 3, tap your foot behind you. 1, 2, 3, tap. Whilst you're doing that, you can also take your face to the side to say hello to that side, and then there. With your hands, you've got them up here. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. So once you've arrived at your destination in the center of the stage, the next thing you do is ifo or bow. It's like taking your heart and your soul and handing it to the audience, like so. Let's try it again. In and out. Like many of the Pacific Islands, Samoa tells their story through their hands. Run your thumbs to the tips of your tall finger, like this. Then we're going to move the wrists as well to accentuate the action. The Siva Samoa is all about telling your own story. So we're going to start from the beginning of our day, where you wake up in the morning and you stretch. But rather than doing it that way, we'll do it a Samoan way, moving your hands, waking up in the morning and stretching. Bending your knees a little bit. Now we're going to put on some clothes, bending our knees to put on some pants, pulling them on, not forgetting our top. Let's pull our top down. Can't leave the house without brushing your hair, turning our face to the side. We're going to brush it like so. Brushing your teeth would also help the matter. So let's reach for our toothbrush, standing up straight with a little se'e and brushing our teeth. We need some shoes. So we're going to put our foot in front, one hand straight up in the air, one hand in front of us, and we're going to tap our foot forward and back, and our hands are going to follow. Let's go. Forward, back, forward, back. Let's try putting the other shoe on. One hand up in the air, one hand in front. Let's go. Forward, and back. A Siva Samoa is not complete without a bit of makeup. We're going to take our mirror out of our pocket. The other hand's going to go brush. Put some blush on, brush again, and let's put some eyeshadow on. How do you think you look? Not too bad. The se'e, which simply means to slide to and fro. It goes something like this. Toes, heels, toes, heels. Toes, heels, toes, heels. It needs to make you look like you're just gliding on air. You just need to be gliding to and fro. Another part of our Siva Samoa, which is the most exciting, is the whataupati, or to clap. So you must make this sound. So we're going to go clap up in the air to your knee, clap up in the air to the other knee, go forward and then back, forward and then foot. Hold it out. And there you have it, your Siva Samoa. So if you're going to dance like a Samoan princess, you must dress like one as well. If so, a puletasi, a top and a ia lava lava, or if your mum throws you in at the last minute for a fundraiser to dance and you've got nothing else to wear, try a ia lava lava wrapped around you and your hair up in a bun. So now that we have all our elements, we're ready for the Siva Samoa. So there you have it. I hope this how-to Siva Samoa will help you with your next function. Give it a go and remember, keep it cocoa.